Hey there, food enthusiasts. If you're like me, mornings can be tough, but a delicious breakfast can make all the difference. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 breakfast recipes that are sure to kickstart your day with a burst of flavor. Grab your aprons and let's dive in. Recipe number 1, classic avocado toast. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, a slice of whole grain bread, a pinch of sea salt, and red pepper flakes for a bit of heat. Start by toasting your bread until it's golden and crispy. While that's toasting, scoop out your avocado into a bowl and mash it with a fork. Add a pinch of sea salt and red pepper flakes to the avocado, then spread it generously over your toast. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds or drizzle a bit of olive oil on top. Simple, nutritious, and incredibly delicious. Next up, we have fluffy pancakes. For this, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. In a bowl, combine your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and pour 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown. Serve with maple syrup and fresh berries. Yum! Third on the list is the protein-packed omelet. You'll need 3 eggs, a splash of milk, salt, pepper, and your choice of fillings like spinach, tomatoes, and cheese. Whisk the eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and pour in the egg mixture. As the eggs begin to set, add your fillings to one side. Fold the omelet in half and cook for another minute. Slide it onto a plate and enjoy this power-packed breakfast. Recipe number 4, Greek yogurt parfait. Grab 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of granola, and a handful of mixed berries. In a glass or bowl, layer half of the yogurt, then half of the granola, and half of the berries. Repeat the layers on top with a drizzle of honey. This parfait is not only delicious but also packed with protein and antioxidants to keep you energized. Finally, we have the ultimate breakfast burrito. You'll need a large tortilla, scrambled eggs, black beans, salsa, shredded cheese, and avocado slices. Lay your tortilla flat and start with a layer of scrambled eggs. Add black beans, a spoonful of salsa, shredded cheese, and avocado slices. Fold the sides of the tortilla and roll it up tightly. You can even give it a quick toast in a skillet to make it nice and crispy. This is a perfect grab-and-go breakfast. And there you have it, my top 5 breakfast recipes for a perfect morning. I hope you give these a try and let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Have a fantastic morning, everyone.